Hey guys, it's the girl Anella. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the 3 braid in the front and a ponytail in the back. So keep on watching. I'm going to jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's begin, guys. Let's begin. So I already parted my hair because it's easier for me to part when I'm off camera. That way I can see what I'm doing. So I parted it in 3. 1, 2, this one 3. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this side out, I'm gonna clip this, and I'm gonna just comb this out a bit. I'm gonna grab some of my jam and I'm gonna add it in my hair so it can be nice and smooth, just like this, just like so. And with this look, you could get the gold pins or the gold clips and put it in your hair to make it pop even more. But I don't have it. I ran out and I didn't go to the store as yet. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna twist this all the way back. See? I'm using one right here, and I bring it under like this, and then I bring it back on top like this, just like this with the 2 twists. And I'm braiding it all the way until I reach the end. So and I'm grabbing from each side because you don't want to leave any of the hair out. And when I reach to the end, I'm going to stop and I'm going to put a rubber band in. I'm going to double the rubber band so that way it could last, well, stay in longer. It don't matter how much times you wrap it around. Just like this. Hope you guys can see it. Then I'm going to do this side. I'm going to do the same thing. Add some of the jam. Just like this. Get it like this. Get all over here. So that way it could be nice and smooth. Then I'm going to twist this side. Do the same thing. Grab 2 strands of the hair and keep twisting. Just like this. Just like this. It's very easy to do, guys. It's like, this is like really simple. See? I might grab 2 of my rubber bands. I'm using the clear ones because the clear ones don't really break my hair out, so I like using this one. Or sometimes if I'm using a black one, what I normally do is, before I put it in, I add some olive oil on it, so that way when I'm taking it off, it won't pull on my hair or anything like that. Okay guys, so like I don't like how I did this one. So I'm gonna take this rubber band out and do it over. Just like this. Sorry guys. And it's okay if you mess up, because the good thing about it is you could always start over. It's not a big deal. So I'm gonna start again. See? Let's go. Ain't nothing changed. You just grab two sides and you keep going. Just keep going, just keep going. I'm going to keep grabbing until I can't grab anymore. Just like this. Yep, because that way. Okay, good. I'm gonna grab the two hands again, and I'm gonna put it in. And with the back, I'm gonna do it in a low bun. Okay. Now this one, you can leave it like this to give it like that nice sleek look. Just like this. Bring it back low. Bring it back, bring it back. I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna grab my brush. Put this one back up. Just like this. Now, let's do this. I'm gonna brush this up a couple of bit like this. And put this in. Just like this. Pull it like that. See? Nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take this one out. Take it out. I'm going to put some gel in the back because I'm going to put it up. Add it like that. And all I'm doing is bending over and adding the gel. Just like this. Because this is how we want it to look. Like this. See? And I'm going to get my brush. Brush it. Brush it. And I'm going to put my scrunchie in. Do-do-do. I'm going to wrap this around a couple of times. Just like this. Then I'm gonna pull it like this. And then with my hair, I'm gonna wrap it into a bun. Just like so. I'm gonna grab one of my scrunchies. Oh no. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm just wrapping this in a scrunchie just like this. Hold it like that. I'm wrapping it twice this time. Just like so. And yeah. Yes guys. So I'll show you guys. So guys, this is the finishing look. Cute, cute. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see. I just did a bun in the back. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other video you guys want me to do, and I'll do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. K2.